Hello traders, welcome to another weekly forecast. My name is Dmitry with My Trading Profit, and in today's video, as usual, we're gonna go over US dollar index, crude oil, and gold before looking at the most popular currency pairs. I'll show you the patterns I'm watching, as well as the key levels and targets of these instruments to give you an idea of what could happen in the market next week. Also, it's not too late to register for the giveaway of our new intro course. It's currently valued at $90 and 10 people will receive it absolutely free. So stick around to the end of this video and find out how you can win it. Alright, let's get started. Okay, quick disclaimer that today's video is for educational purposes only. My opinion is not intended as a trading advice, investment advice, or anything of that nature. Please trade carefully and see the description of this video for the full disclaimer. Alright, before we get started, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. First up is the US dollar index. Last week the price reached our long-term target at 98.80 that we set 2 weeks ago. After breaking the swing high point, the price went further to the upside and almost reached our next target at 99.2. What could we expect next week? So since the price had been going to the upside direction for over 2 weeks now, it's approaching a dangerous reversal territory. I recommend staying away from buying it right now, and I would start looking for sells if we get a clear break of the 99 support level. My bearish targets would be 98.80 and 98.50. Let's have a look at gold. Just like we said in the last week's forecast, the price went up to test the 1580.8 level and is currently sitting at the supply and demand zone where it may find rejection. The current momentum is still bullish, therefore we need a confirmation before looking for sells. If we get a reversal pattern and a break of the structure, I would start looking for bearish setups to targets 1576.5, 1566.8, and the key level at 1555.3. If the price breaks above the rejection zone and resistance level of 1590.5, my next bullish target would be at 1604. Next up is crude oil. The price consolidated the whole week and ended up Friday by attempting to break the resistance level at 51.8. We can also see that the price created double bottom around 49.2 support level, and therefore if 51.8 is going to get broken, I'd be bullish to targets 52.8 and 53.8. And if the price goes down and breaks the 49.2 support level, my next bearish target would be 47.2. Let's have a look at AUDUSD. Just like we said in last week's forecast, the price found support around the rejection zone and went up to our target at 0.674. The current momentum is bearish with lower lows and lower highs on the chart, and therefore we may see a continuation to the downside to test the support area at 0.669. Also notice that the price is attempting to break the most recent low, and if it happens next week, this would give us another confirmation that the bearish momentum is still valid. If on the other hand we break above the 0.674 resistance level, I would be bullish to targets 0.676, 0.68, and 0.684. EURUSD. Because US dollar was gaining the strength, last week the price broke through the support level of 1.092 with a very strong bearish momentum and is currently approaching the rejection zone around the 1.082 support level. The current momentum is still bearish, however the price is already overextended. We would still need some extra confirmation before looking for bullish setups. And if next week we get a reversal pattern and a clear break of the 1.088 resistance level, I would be bullish to targets 1.092, 1.095, and 1.098. Next up is GBPUSD. Once again, our last week's forecast played out nicely. The price found rejection from the zone and reached both of our targets at 1.298 and 1.302. The current momentum is bullish because we can see the higher highs and higher lows on the chart, and if next week we break the resistance level of 1.307, we could see a continuation to the upside to our target at 1.312. If on the other hand the price breaks below the support at 1.301, I would be bearish to levels 1.298, 1.295, and 1.292. NZDUSD. Just like we said last week, the price found rejection from the zone and went up to our target at 0.648. A switch of momentum to the upside happened when the price took out a lower high point, and now my outlook is bullish going into the next week. I would look for bullish setups around this area with the targets at 0.648 and 0.652. If the price drops below the zone, breaking the 0.638 support level, my next bearish target would be 0.635. USDCAD. Last week the price reached our target at 1.325, creating a double bottom pattern. And therefore I believe our next targets at 1.322 and 1.320 could also be reached next week. All of this bearish momentum could create a flag pattern and we may see a reversal. There could also be a very aggressive short-term buy opportunity if the price breaks above the 1.3265 level, with the target at 1.339. USD Swiss. Once again, last week's forecast came true, and the price successfully reached both of our targets at 0.98 and 0.982. The current momentum is still bullish because the price is creating higher highs and higher lows on the chart. Therefore, if next week our resistance level at 0.982 gets taken out, I would look for bullish setups to levels 0.985 and 0.988. I would only look for bearish setups if the price breaks below the 0.9785 support level, with the targets at 0.976, 0.974, and 0.97. And finally, USDJPY. Last week the price bounced off the rejection zone and looks like a head and shoulders pattern was also formed. A break below the 109.7 support level will confirm the pattern and the price could go lower to targets 109.5, 109.2, and 108.8. And if the price breaks above the 110.2 resistance level, my bullish targets would be 110.5 and 110.8. So that is it for me this week, guys, and as promised, I'd like to show you how you can enter for the chance to win our trading course valued at $90. It's actually very simple. Click on the link in the description below or go to mytradingprofit.com, sign up _beginner. Once you're on this page, scroll down to the bottom of it until you see this panel. It's still not too late to enter, but the winners are going to be announced later tonight, so hurry up before it's too late. For more detailed instructions on how to maximize the chances of winning this course, watch this short video. Also, I'm going to drop a link to this video in the description below. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like down below. Please check out our website at www.mytradingprofit.com for free trading videos, courses, and our blog. I'd like to wish you a fantastic trading week. Don't forget to trade safely, and thank you very much for watching.